Welcome in world of technology. A Porsche flying taxi would be the best of the past and future car world. German automaker Porsche is toying with the idea of bringing hovercars to life, according to Reuters, building on parent firm Volkswagen's two-seater flying car concept pop-up that was showcased at last year's Geneva International Motor Show. That would really make sense. If I drive from the Porsche plant in Zuffenhausen to Stuttgart airport, I need at least half an hour, if I'm lucky. Flying would take only 3.5 minutes, Porsche sales chief Detlev von Platen told Automobilwoche. The venture would put Porsche alongside a slew of companies working on designs for flying cars in anticipation of a major shift in the transport market, the most notable of which is Uber, who is hoping to revolutionize the taxi industry with hovercars. It's believed that Porsche is hoping to enter the same space, manufacturing flying passenger vehicles to compete with rivals in a possible market for air taxis and ride-sharing services, instead of producing hovercars for the mass consumer market. If a Porsche flying taxi came to light, the company said passengers would be able to control some functions of the vehicle. Most of the driving would be automated, however, foregoing the need for a pilot's license. Flying taxis and drones have become a blossoming pursuit for many companies, as they look to the future and envision ways to alleviate the congestion in cities and reduce gridlock. But, many regulations and logistical considerations stand in the way of flying taxis. Regulatory bodies have yet to iron out airspace and traffic rules, and the technology for vertical takeoff and landing machines, VTOL, isn't quite ready for production. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you next time on the other R videos.